YouTube, I'm back again with another video. This time a demo of how I do my Pixie waves and curls, bookable on my website under Charmaine Waves at TrueStylist.com for my client here, Charmaine, who wears this style faithfully and sends me a bunch of clients. So as you can see, I've already started. I'm basically doing finger waving her in a 360 wave pattern, starting in the crown, working my way through the perimeter to the hairline, to the nape, all the way around in a full circle, and I'm going to finish in the same position that I started in, so that makes it a full 360. And if you've never done finger waves before, or it's been some time since you've done them, all finger waves are two opposing C-shaped patterns that connect to form a S shape. So you're creating an S shape throughout the entire head using two C's, a forward C and a backward C. The finger positioning and the utensil, my comb, is going to help me do this, but basically that is all I'm doing. Here you see me creating a soft neckline here, just creating a wispy look, detailing it with the end of my rat tail comb to just give her some softness and texture around her neckline. And I'm going to do the same thing here on her hairline, because generally when I do this hairstyle, I don't like to see any partings. Unless my client specifically asks me to show a part, I generally won't have any parting in the hairstyle. So the 360 mold kind of gives me the ability to do this style with no part showing. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna use my comb to really detail her hairline. I'm gonna do some finger waving here, as well as add some pin curls with my rat tail comb. As you can see, I'm gonna create that forward C. Then I'm gonna go and add in the backward C. And you can see that S shape coming in, and I'm just using the ending of my rat tail comb to create some pin curls, which basically is just to add some texture and softness and just a soft, sexy, elegant look. And I think that's what makes this hairstyle so popular, is because it's so versatile. It can be worn to a wedding, happy hour, date night on the weekend, office, just whatever. It complements any wardrobe, any outfit in your closet. I mean, it just works so well with everything. So again, just repeating the same pattern throughout the entire head. As you can see, I've made my way to her hairline, where I'm doing the same forward C, backward C combo, adding the pin curls in with my rat tail comb. I'm going to complete that pattern all the way to the opposite side of her head. Now you see I'm on the right side, and I'm basically going to create an identical look to what I've already completed on her left side with the pin curls and the waves, again defining the pin curls with the end of my rat tail comb. So now that I have finished defining her hairline and her finger waves and pin curls have been set in place, I'm going to use the end of my rat tail comb to further define the right side of her neckline and add those soft, wispy, elegant textures that I spoke of earlier. Once I do that, I'll add a few Sanex strips to her, put her under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and then I'll bring her out, and in my next video, I will demo how I curl these waves out.